We use the present simple, often with verbs of senses and perception, to talk about feelings and reactions at the moment of speaking.
It seems a bit quiet in here. Where is everyone?
Conversation.
Have you got any hobbies?
Yes, I usually go fishing, and I go swimming all the time. What about you?
Well, I like to play football, take photograph apps.
I usually take a lot of pictures, but most of them are pretty bad.
What other interests have you got? Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps, and I've got a quite big collection of records and tapes.
I love collecting postcards. And what's your hobbies, Mary?
I have only one hobby. It consumes all my free time. I enjoy reading.
Vocabulary.
Hobby. He needs a hobby to keep him busy. Postcard. I'll send you a postcard as soon as I get there. Collect. She collects stamps. Interest. I've always had an interest in language. Enjoy. I want to travel because I enjoy meeting people and seeing new places. Picture. Jack painted a picture of my dog.
We also use the present simple to talk about immediate reactions. We use the present simple, often with verbs of senses and perception, to talk about feelings and reactions at the moment of speaking.
Do you think that meat is okay to eat? It doesn't smell very good.
Where does it hurt?
I don't like the color. I think it looks terrible.
It seems a bit quiet in here. Where is everyone?
Don't you believe me? It's true, honestly.
I promise, I swear, I agree. We use the present simple with speech act verb.
I will pay you back, I promise, when I get paid. I agree with everything you say.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know what topic you want to learn. See you next time.